Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Hey, don't change the channel. It's still in English. Just try to practice my Spanish a little bit. Hey, today it's day number 5. It's I will call that the Casa Day. So we will visit especially two casa that Gandhi designed and built, and one in the morning, one in the afternoon. In the morning is the Casa Milà, and in the afternoon will be the Casa Batlló. And but what I am my understanding is kind of Gandhi was the Tiger Wood of the architect in the early 1900, uh, or the Jordan of the basketball. So everybody want him. So I kind of understand how the rich people or the projects, everybody want a piece of Gandhi, and also people want to copy him or learn from him. So just behind me, it's one of the example. It's another casa. I will check in my note earlier, and I will do a step back a little bit to show you a better picture. But uh, many architects kind of like copy or inspired by Gaudi. Again, it's Gaudi, not Gandhi, but and um, and create different casa a little bit everywhere, or try to compete against a different design also, because it was a period called the Modernista, if I understand, in the early 19s. So also a funny story. I thought about that last night. So it's about it's about me, but when I was a kid, in teenager at school, um, I hate English. So English, I fail English, hate English, and also the second thing I didn't like was history. So lesson learns, kids. If you have grandkids or kids, tell them that if they hate something, maybe that will bite them in the ass after that, because now I'm speaking English and I kind of start learning, teaching history for you guys. So it's two things that I hate in the past when I was a teenager, and now I'm doing it. So it's kind of funny. All right, so this is Casa Day, and I will show you. It will be, and I will. Those casa are in the. I would say example. I call that example. I don't know if I write the right pronunciation, but it's a neighborhood between the Sagrada Familia and the old Barcelona. So it's a neighborhood hip and busy. So you can hear. I try to stay close to the microphone because it's very busy, very intersections, and a lot of people in the area. All right, so I will show you a few things today. All right, see you later. Bye. Hola. This is de les Poñes. Is sorry for the pronunciation, but I think that's the best I can do about that. But it was built in 1906. That's the building that was just behind me in the previous video. So it's kind of famous, and also now it's office building and kind of convention center a little bit. So Casa de les Poñes. Beautiful. Here, a different angle of the building. All right. One done. Few to go. Hola, everybody. This is Casa Comalat. It's also inspired by Gaudi, so we can say the architect kind of a copy Gaudi, but it's built in 1909 at the same period as the Park Güell and the other. So during the Modernista period, and you can see all the round forms of the building. It's still very beautiful. All right, now the one done. Hola, everybody. Now it's the real stuff. So this is Casa Milà, La Pedrera. So it's a complex apartment built in designed and built by Gaudi in 1906 till 1912. So again, the same period. So it's apartment, also attic, and a roof that will have 30 chimneys. And so I'm still waiting for it. Should be inside the building in like 30-45 minutes. But it's beautiful, like you see the round shape and also the metal and like leaves. So this is Casa Milà. So again, a rich guy, early 1900, want to build something special and called Gaudi, Mr. Mila, and they did it. All right. See you later. Hello guys, I did it. It's totally out of this world. It's just amazing. So Gaudi, this complex Casa Milà was kind of his last project before just to concentrate on Sagrada Familia. So when you visit the first floor, the second floor where was the apartment of Mr. Mila, rich people at the time with a maid and kids and everything, and it's beautiful, but I didn't really take a lot of picture there. And after that, you visit the attic. That it's kind of pretty amazing. I put some picture of that. And also they talk about kind of a museum at the same time, talk about the other project that he did in his life. But the roof, the third part, you go into the roof, and the roof is just unbelievable. So I took some picture and took some videos. It's very crowded. So, and I really love it. So if you come in Barcelona, you cannot miss that. You have to come to see Casa Milà. All right, it's time to go lunch, visit the neighborhood a little bit, and we'll be Casa Batlló this afternoon. All right, bye. Hello guys. Hey, I just want to point something to you. It's very cool that especially in that neighborhood and probably pretty everywhere in Barcelona, but if you look at every intersection, they cut the building in 45 degrees. So instead to have like corners where we like 90 degrees, they cut them and they do like a 45 degrees, and that bring more light and less congested intersection. So I really like that. You should, the United States or Canada should do that more often. It's pretty cool. All right. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? How you doing? Hey, did you like my picture from Casa Milà? So I'm at Block of Discord. So they call that area because it's like three houses compete to each other and create a discord. So you have one thing on the left, it's Casa Moreno. In the middle, it's Casa Amaretto. Let's say Amaretto. It sounds like that. And totally on the right, it will be Casa Batlló. So Casa Batlló, that's the one that I'm going to visit. It's from Gaudi, and like you see, it's very crowded here. That house is a little bit older than the one we saw this morning, and also was already constructed. The owner of the Mr. Batlló, little bus, there you go. So Mr. Batlló asked Gaudi to renovate and change the house, but the structure of the house was already there, so he didn't start from scratch. All right, that's it. So I'm on my way there. I'm like 30 minutes before my time, and I will tell you my takes from my visit. All right, talk to you later. Hello guys, hey, I did it again. So that was Casa Batlló. That was amazing. So first thing, just let you know, you don't need to take LSD or drugs to go to that house. It's just blowing, it will blow in your mind. It's crazy. So again, Gaudi did craziness. I would say the apartments, all the floors with the apartments are much better than the Casa Milà. So for the interior, I would say it's a A+. It's every room, every floor is different, and the audio guide coming with the tour, it's good information. About the roof is okay. I think the first roof this morning was much better. They have few things, but the roof also, if you want, you can buy a ticket by night, and they have concert and table, and they have a little bar that you can buy stuff. But other than that, and they finish with a 3D. It's not 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, it's maybe 6D. It's all the floor, the ceiling, and the wall. Like a presentation at the end in the basement. It's pretty cool also. So I would say you cannot miss that again. It's very important to come to see that. Again, it's the afternoon, 2-3 o'clock. and Jacques is tired, but my plan is to walk back to my room, so maybe a half an hour, 45 minutes walk, and taking the power nap again and get ready for tonight. So thank you for following me, and we see you tomorrow. One more day in Barcelona. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Don't stop now. I forgot to tell you I got pictures and the little video at the end. So just a few minutes of stuff. All right, talk to you later. Bye.